With brewing equipment running effectively and efficiently, there are steps you can take to maintain your brewery. Brewery cleaning is critical to producing quality beer and avoiding contamination. Regular cleaning and disinfection of all equipment and surfaces. Regular maintenance and calibration of brewing equipment will help improve operations. It includes checking and adjusting temperature controls, cleaning, replace parts and monitor the performance of pumps, valves, and other mechanical components. Establish a quality control program to help you monitor beer quality at every stage of the brewing process. On the administrative side, having a system for managing recipes and tracking changes in the brewing process. Keep detailed records of ingredients, brewing times, and other parameters, which are regularly checked and adjusted. Brewing beer involves handling a range of chemicals and hot liquids. So have proper security procedures in place to protect your employees and customers, mainly including wearing personal protective equipment and preparing fire extinguishers, safety showers, and regular safety audits. These are a few key steps to take to maintain your brewery. By following best practices and being proactive with maintenance, can help ensure your brewery consistently produces high-quality beer.